Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Forum DE where data engineers are cultivated. I hope you all are doing well and sharpening our technical skills. I hope you all are enjoying learning SQL with me. If you haven't watched our previous lecture on SQL, you can watch them on our YouTube channel Forum DE. And also you can find videos related to data science, data engineering, Python on our YouTube channel which will help you to become a good data professional. So let's get back to today's video, and today we will learn about dropping a table, deleting a table, truncate a table. So before getting into that, let me explain you what do you mean by deleting a table, dropping a table, truncate a table. So many a times in industry you want to delete a table, delete a particular row of a table, drop the whole table, truncate the table. So let me explain all of these terms, all of these commands by an example. Okay. So let's create a table first. Okay. So as you already know that use test1 is a command to enter the database. Okay. So let me run this. So we enter the database test1. So I am creating a table inside a test1. And if you don't know how to create a table, I have explained in my previous video. You can watch them. Okay. That in this video I have explained how to create the tables. Okay, so let me create a table. So as you can see, the message pop-up commands completed successfully. So we have a table called player. So it's an empty table. Okay, it's an empty table. So let me select it. So you can see it has serial number, name and sports. So it has three columns but no data inside it. Okay, so this is called the schema, you can say structure of a table. Okay, you can say that. So what's the schema? Like column name, serial number, name, sports, and its data type, all is making this. It's a structure of a table. So let me insert some of the data inside that table. Okay, so you can see that I have inserted a two rows. So let me run that command again. So you can see I have two rows. Okay, serial number 1 2, name Akshay Sumit, sports badminton. Yeah, I like to play badminton very much. Okay, so yeah, so suppose I have a requirement. I want to delete the table where name is Akshay. Sorry, delete a row where name is Akshay. Okay, from the table players. So how can I do that? So SQL gives us a command, delete from table name. If you do this, it will delete all the rows. Okay, so it's a very dangerous command. Okay, so you have to be cautious while running these drop, truncate, delete command. Okay, so because it can delete your data in a one go, and the backup is there in industrial, but still it can escalate you to the at a big level industry if you run this command without being cautious. Okay, so delete from players where name is equal to Akshay. Okay, so if I run this command, the this row or entry with name is equal to Akshay, serial number 1 and 4 should get deleted. Okay, if I run this, so see, I have only one entry now. Okay, so but if you want to delete the whole table, okay, like so we have a command named drop. It will delete the whole table. Okay, drop table name. It will delete the whole table. Nothing will be there. If I try to select anything, SSMS will give me a pop-up error message that invalid table name. Okay, so dropping a table you should be very cautious about because it will delete all the table. Okay, and along with the data, the schema, everything will get deleted from the database. So let's create a table again. Okay, so there is another one command that is truncate. You have a requirement, you want to, okay, let me insert the data first inside that, because it's an empty table as of now. Yes, it's an empty table. So let me insert some data. Now it should have two rows. Okay, it has the two rows. Now I want to delete the data only, but I want the schema to remain intact. Okay, that column names should remain in the table so that I can insert a fresh data with the same schema. Okay, but I want the data to be deleted. So for that, it will delete the whole data. Truncate table, table name. Okay, so it will delete. So now I can run the select query. See, I have the schema intact, but the data has been deleted. Okay, so delete command without the where condition is same as truncate. Okay, so delete command gives us a privilege to delete a particular row, but truncate command does not give that privilege. So truncate command will delete all the rows. Okay, and delete command with where condition we can specify which row we want to delete, and without where condition truncate and delete act in a similar way. But if you want to delete drop a table, like delete a table along with the schema, drop table is the command. Okay, so all these commands are very crucial and has to run after getting proper approval of the stakeholders, okay, in the industry level. So you should be very cautious about it. So today let's close this lecture. Okay, so we will continue with some other clauses, other statements in our next video. Okay, I will teach joins in the next video, so keep learning with us. And moreover, we have launched a batch on data engineering which will be run by Mr. Arun Kumar, and it has already been started. You can join by visiting our website, and also you can uh, contact us. Okay, so thank you everyone, and keep learning. And for any doubts, do comment on our comment section. Okay, and you can mail me. I will pin down my mail ID on the comment section. So if for any doubts, just let us know. Thank you everyone.